Welcome. In today's digital age, privacy is paramount, especially on social media platforms like Instagram. If you're looking to keep your posts and stories visible only to your approved followers, you've come to the right place. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make your Instagram account private, ensuring that your content remains exclusive to those you trust. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. This is where all the magic begins. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can see all your posts and account details. Now, look for the More icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines or a menu icon at the top of the page. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu filled with options related to your account settings. From here, navigate to Account Privacy. This section contains all the privacy settings you need to adjust. You'll find an option labeled Private Account. Simply click on this option to proceed. Finally, you'll need to enable Private Account. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this change. Make sure to tap on Switch to Private to finalize your decision. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is now private. This means that only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and any other activity on your profile. This simple yet effective change can significantly enhance your online privacy and give you greater control over who views your content. Remember, maintaining privacy on social media is essential in today's interconnected world. By following these steps, you can create a more secure and personalized experience on Instagram. Enjoy sharing with those who truly matter while keeping unwanted eyes away from your cherished moments.